how to overcome burnout as a mother in 5 simple steps. Dear moms, have you ever felt so exhausted that even when you get a break, you still don't feel rested? Like no matter how much you do, there's always more to handle and you are running on empty cup. What if I told you that burnout isn't just about being tired, it's about chronic emotional and mental exhaustion. And unless you take right steps, you won't just go away with a nap or a vacation. In this video, I'll share 5 simple steps, science-backed, to help you overcome burnout, reclaim your energy, and actually enjoy motherhood again. Make sure you still stick till the end, because I'll be sharing one mistake most moms make when trying to fix burnout and how to avoid it. So let's dive in. Dear moms, let's be honest. Burnout doesn't just make you tired, it drains your patience, steals your joy, and makes even simplest tasks feel overwhelming. You love your children, but deep down you might be thinking, why do I feel so exhausted all the time? Why do I snap at my kids even when I don't want to? Will I ever feel like myself again? If any of this resonates, you're not alone. The good news is, burnout isn't a life sentence. There are simple, practical steps that can help you recharge, reset, and feel like you again. By the end of this video, you will understand the real reasons why moms experience burnout and why just resting isn't the solution. You will learn 5 simple actionable steps to restore your energy physically, mentally, and emotionally. You will also discover how to break free from the guilt that keeps you stuck in exhaustion. You'll find practical ways to set boundaries, ask for help, and take care of yourself without neglecting your family. You will also feel more present, patient, and joyful in your parenting journey. My bold promise is that by the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to overcome burnout, reclaim your energy, and start enjoying motherhood again without any guilt. So let's dive in. Let me start with my personal story. A few years ago, I found myself completely drained. Not just physically, but emotionally and mentally. I was juggling school drop-offs, meal preparations, endless laundry, work, deadlines, and late-night worries about whether I was doing enough as a mom. I told myself, this is just how motherhood is, right? But deep down, I knew something wasn't right. I felt exhausted the moment I woke up, even after a full night's sleep. I was constantly snapping at my kids, then feeling guilty about it. I had no time for myself, and when I did, I felt too drained to enjoy it. I started feeling like I had lost myself. I was a mom, but who was I beyond that? I didn't know. Then one day, my breaking point came. I had just put my kids to bed after a particularly stressful day, and instead of feeling relieved, I sat on the couch and burst into tears. I felt like I was failing at everything: motherhood, work, my health, my relationships, and everything. That was my wake-up call. I realized something had to change because running on empty wasn't sustainable. I started researching burnout, speaking to other moms, and testing different strategies. That's when I discovered a 5-step approach that helped me regain my energy and joy. Here's exactly what happened. I stopped feeling guilty about taking care of myself, because a happy, well-rested mom is a better mom. I learned how to set small boundaries, and it made a huge difference. I changed my mindset around asking for help. It wasn't a weakness, it was necessary for me. I started prioritizing what truly mattered and let go of the things that weren't urgent. I felt more present, patient, and emotionally available for my kids. And here's the best part: my family actually benefited too. That is why I'm sharing this with you today. I know what it's like to feel stuck in burnout, and I want you to know that there is a way out. By the end of this video, you'll have 5 simple steps to break free from burnout and reclaim your energy without guilt. So let's dive in. Let's start by understanding why it is essential for conscious moms to deal with burnout. Motherhood is one of the most beautiful yet demanding roles, and as moms, we often put everyone else's needs before our own. But here's the truth. You can't pour from an empty cup. When burnout takes over, it doesn't just affect you. It impacts your child, your relationships, and the way you show up as a parent. That's why learning how to overcome burnout is not a luxury. It is a necessity. So if you are a mom between 5 to 18 years old, you know that parenting is an ongoing emotional, mental, and physical effort. You are juggling schools, homework, activities, managing household, cooking, cleaning, work responsibilities, financial stress, personal growth. Let's not forget the emotional load of constantly making decisions and keep everything running smoothly. So where is the problem? You're doing so much that you forget to take care of yourself. You're constantly exhausted, but you feel guilty about resting. You feel like you're just getting by instead of enjoying motherhood. If you have ever felt this way, you're not alone. Burnout happens when pressure of daily life becomes overwhelming, and it's time to break that cycle. Let's be honest. How many times have you ignored your own needs because you thought you should be able to handle everything? Think about this. Have you ever felt like you couldn't take a break because there was too much to do? Have you ever snapped at your child and immediately felt guilty afterwards? Have you ever wished for more patience, more energy, and just more time for yourself? Burnout isn't just about exhaustion. It's the emotional weight of constantly giving and never refilling your own cup. And if burnout goes unaddressed, it can lead to chronic stress and anxiety, a shorter temper and less patience with your child, a disconnect between you and the joy of parenting. But there is a good news. Burnout is not permanent. You can overcome it, and when you do, you'll feel more patient, present, and fulfilled in your parenting journey. As a conscious mom, we focus on creating emotionally healthy environment for our children. But here's the truth. If we don't prioritize our own well-being, we can't show up as the best versions of ourselves for our children. Imagine this. What if you had more energy to play, laugh, and connect with your child? What if you could parent with patience, presence, and peace instead of exhaustion and frustration? What if you could teach your child by example that self-care isn't selfish but necessary? Your child learns from you. If they see you constantly running on empty, they learn that stress and burnout are normal. But if they see you setting healthy boundaries and taking care of yourself, they'll grow up knowing how to value their own well-being too. Overcoming burnout isn't just for you. It's for your child, your family, and your future. When you prioritize your well-being, you're not neglecting your family. You're creating a healthier, more joyful home. In this video, I'm going to share 5 effective steps to overcome burnout so you can reclaim your energy, restore your peace, and actually enjoy motherhood again. So let's dive in. I would highly recommend that before we go further, you grab a notepad or take digital notes. Do jot down the key points. What is actually causing you the burnout? What are the key things that you want to take away from this video? And what are the things that you really want to take action on today? Also, if you stay till the end of the video, I'll be sharing this free Mom's Burnout Recovery Guide with you. Plus, I have an exclusive invitation to my Reclaim Your Energy as a Mom Masterclass, where I'll guide you through deeper transformation so you can create daily routines that energizes you instead of exhausting you. So let's get started. Let's start with understanding what is burnout. Burnout isn't just about being tired. It's a state of emotional, mental, and physical exhaustion caused by prolonged stress, overwork, and lack of self-care. Many moms experience burnout without realizing it because they normalize exhaustion as part of motherhood. So, what are the 6 key aspects of being burnout? Number 1, chronic fatigue, feeling exhausted even after rest. Number 2, irritability and emotional overwhelm, losing patience easily and feeling on the edge all the time. Number 3, brain fog and forgetfulness, struggling to concentrate and stay organized. Number 4, loss of joy in parenting, feeling like you're just getting through the day rather than enjoying it with your child. Number 5, feeling trapped in the cycle, feeling like you're constantly behind with no time to recharge. Number 6, physical symptoms like frequent headaches, body aches, digestive system issues due to stress. Burnout doesn't just affect you. It impacts your child, your relationships, and your ability to be present in daily life. But the good news is there's a way out. Let's understand the 6 reasons why burnout matters. Burnout makes parenting harder. When you are exhausted, even small challenges feel overwhelming and patience wears off. Number 2, it affects your child's emotional well-being. Children absorb stress. When we are drained, they pick up on it, which can impact their own emotional security. Number 3, it lowers your physical health. Chronic stress leads to weakened immunity, hormone imbalance, and even long-term health issues. 4, it kills your joy and passion. Burnout takes away the happiness in motherhood and makes you feel like you're just surviving instead of thriving. 5th, your family needs a mom who feels best. You can't pour from an empty cup. The best way to show up to your family is to show up to yourself first. 6th, it's 100% fixable. You don't have to accept burnout as just part of being a mom. With the right strategies, you can restore your energy, reset your mind, and reclaim your life. Now, let's dive into the practical steps that will help you break free from burnout. Each step includes 6 actionable techniques. So, let's get started. Number 1, identify and reduce energy drainers. Burnout isn't just about doing too much. It's about doing too much of the wrong things. You need to cut out what's draining you and focus on what truly matters. Write down your daily tasks. Identify what's essential versus what's stealing your energy. Stop saying yes to everything. Reduce unnecessary commitments that drain you. Delegate household tasks. Your kids and partner can help. Don't do it all alone. Let go of perfectionism. A clean enough home is still a happy home. Set time limits on social media and digital overload. Cut screen time that adds to mental exhaustion. Schedule no commitment days. A day where nothing is planned to give you breathing room. Say for instance, if you are spending hours cleaning daily, switch to a 10-minute reset each night instead. Small habits like this can free up hours each week. Second step, set boundaries and protect your time. Burnout often happens when we give too much to everyone except ourselves. Healthy boundaries protect our time and energy. Set a no interruption rule for 15 minutes a day. Teach your kids to respect your time. Stop over explaining your no. You don't need permission to rest. Use a mom buffer. After work or a busy day, take 5 minutes to breathe before jumping into home duties. Create a family help hour. Everyone does the task together instead of you doing everything. Limit energy draining relationships. Spend less time with people who constantly demand from you. Block out personal time on your calendar. If it's scheduled, it's non-negotiable. For instance, if your kids constantly interrupt while you cook, set a kitchen timer rule. They can only ask for help after it dings. This teaches patience and gives you uninterrupted focus. Step 3. Rebuild your energy, physically and mentally. Your body and mind need rest and nourishment to recover from burnout. Prioritize sleep. Even 30 extra minutes make a difference. Hydrate first thing in the morning. Hydration increases fatigue. Dehydration increases fatigue. Eat more energy foods like proteins. Move your body for 10 minutes a day. A walk, stretching, or dancing workout. Reduce caffeine and sugar in the afternoon. Take breaks, even short ones. 5 minutes resets can work wonders. If you constantly feel afternoon energy crashes, try a 10-minute mom reset. Step outside, stretch, and breathe deeply to recharge. Step 4. Shift your mindset and release guilt. Burnout is fueled by mom guilt and unrealistic expectations. Changing your mindset allows you to recover without feeling bad about it. Stop feeling guilty for resting. It's productive, not selfish. Identify unrealistic expectations you've put on yourself. Speak kindly to yourself. Practice gratitude daily. Reframe I have to into I get to. Shift your perspective. Celebrate progress, not perfectionism. If you feel guilty for taking a break, remind yourself resting makes me a better mom, not a bad one. Step 5. Create joyful and sustainable routine. Burnout recovery isn't just about fixing the exhaustion, it's about building a lifestyle that prevents it. Establish a simple morning and evening routine. Build joy triggers into your day, music, reading, or laughter. Plan fun family time without overscheduling. Reduce decision fatigue by creating weekly systems. Schedule self-care like an appointment. Check in with yourself weekly. Instead of overloading weekends, schedule a family lazy Saturday. Once a month, no chores, no errands, just quality time and relaxation. So, burnout isn't exhaustion. It's realigning your energy in your mind and body. If you found this useful, subscribe to it and hit the like button. Do comment what is causing you burnout and how would you deal with it after watching this video. Do not forget to download the free resource. The link is in the comment box below. Also, if you're ready to go deep, join my masterclass to break free from guilt that keeps you stuck in burnout. Build a sustainable routine that fuels, not drains. Feel present, energized, and more connected to your child. Do share this video with your friends and families who are undergoing burnout too. Here's to reclaiming your energy and enjoying motherhood again. See you in the next video.